All right, hey, good morning. Chris here, out on my back porch doing solar panel array work. I just got done replacing one array's DC disconnect box, disco box. This is an old Midnight Solar steel box. Not a bad box, but it leaked and caused, not this breaker, this was a new one, caused all kinds of problems with the breaker there. Anyway, I replaced it, got a new crimper and correct ferrules, and went out and changed out the DC breaker box on this 8-gun solar panel array. This thing's about 3,500 watts. This is a plastic see-through box. I just put some stickers on it. And let's open it up. Show you the work. These are polarized breakers, so power is on the top. Feeder lines down here. Positive on this side, negative on this side, per the stampings. I've got some DIN rail locks on here to keep this thing from moving. Attached it with the original quarter 20s in here. And the best part about these boxes is they have a waffle grill, waffle plate. Man, I tell you, that makes installation so much easier. Crazy easier. I used a electrical gland on here. Probably should cover that up right there a little bit. But the whole thing was, getting water in here and bugs nesting. Hopefully bugs won't nest behind this waffle plate, but I don't see how they can get in. But this has a nice little rubber O-ring on here, watertight, so this should stay pretty much clean and good to go for a long time. You can also put a lock on here, like a little mini padlock right here. Got these stickers on Amazon. And that's about all she wrote. It's not like professional, but a hell of a lot better. These CNC breakers, I went with this style because these are rated for 1,000 volts DC. This is a 20 amp breaker. The magnetic brake arc feel on these paddles are just superior to anything I've ever had. It's thicker, it's bigger, it's heavier. It looks like it's ready for prime time. So I'm going to stick with these CNC. I've got a couple more on order. And I got a couple more of these boxes on order to do the other 2 backyard panel arrays. So one box there. Sorry about the barking dog. And then I'm going to do the other breaker box over here. I'm going to move this breaker box. This is a big one. I'm going to move this one, I think. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but it needs to be out of the sun because this thing gets the sun right here. I never liked it being out here exposed to the sun. Any of these wires exposed too. But the whole reason why I am changing out breaker boxes and breakers because I lost power on that array due to that corrosion on that breaker. And it's freaking unbelievable. I couldn't believe how much power I lost with a corroded breaker. So there you have it. All right, thanks for watching, and I'm glad I got this done before the sun comes up. I always want to do solar work before it gets too sunny. Cloudy in the morning is the best because there's just no voltages to shock you. But there you have it. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.